Hey y'all, so I am in New Mexico heading back home, and I wanted to show y'all a few of my favorite places in New Mexico to pray and go on pilgrimage. The first one is up this mountain right there. I don't know if you can see the crosses up there. This place is called Tome Hill. It's south of Albuquerque. It's in Los Lunas, I believe is the town, the nearest town. It's a very sacred site. It is where on Good Friday, thousands and thousands of people from New Mexico and really all over the area will descend and make a pilgrimage to here and walk up Tome Hill, which is, I've heard, I haven't proven or validated this, but I've heard that it's the same height as Calvary, and so that's why they put these three crosses and an altar up there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go hike up this hill and pray, and probably pray a rosary while I'm heading up that way. So there's many different paths that you can take coming up Tome Hill. This is actually a new path for me. So that's why I'm a little out of wind, out of breath. I'm out of shape. But also because I think this is probably the most direct, the quickest, but it's probably one of the most the steepest paths that you can take to get up Tome Hill. But I'm getting there. I'd say I'm probably past the halfway point. So like I was saying, I'm here at the summit of Tome Hill. I came in over that way, which there's parking right there, but it's the steepest part. The easier way, if you're ever here, is this path right here. You can kind of see it. It is not as steep. It probably takes longer. I can actually attest it does take longer. But it's not as harsh. So if you need to take more time or you're just not as physically fit, take the longer way. Now you can pray your rosary. If you're a little bit more physically fit or you don't have enough time and you just want to get up here and pray, you can take the more direct way. Descending from the hill now. I would say if you're ever in Albuquerque in the area, definitely come check out Tome Hill. If you're the type of person that likes an adventure, likes to exercise, likes outdoors, definitely come out here. Really, there's, well, I'm gonna go to a few other places up in Santa Fe, since that's the archdiocese, but 2 other places I would recommend if you're in Albuquerque. One is the Old Town. The church in Old Town is really pretty, as well as just the square has that Old Town feel, hence the name Old Town, haha. But also they have what's called the Watermelon Mountains near Albuquerque. And the reason why they're called Watermelon Mountains is because at, I think either sunrise or sunset, I think it's sunset, they have this beautiful reddish, pinkish, orange, very, looks like a watermelon. And you can go up the Watermelon Mountains and hike and just have fun out there. We went out there one time on a pilgrimage and did some liturgy of the hours and reflection and just had a good old time. And that was after hiking up Tome Hill and celebrating Mass actually one time up here. Well, that will do it for this video before I bust my face open. There'll be more videos coming for my time up in Santa Fe. So check that out. Remember to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will catch you in the next one. God bless.